Welcome to the 14-day transatlantic maiden voyage of the ship Celebration. We're leaving Southampton, England for our first stop in Coruna, Spain. Hope you enjoy the video. This is our stateroom. We originally booked an interior room with no windows, and we decided that since we're going to be on the ship for 14 days, that we might be a little claustrophobic. So we decided we'd try and see if we could get upgraded to a room with a window. So I called the cruise company and asked, and they had no upgrades. They had nothing that they could give us. However, they did say they had one cancellation to have that for $500 additional. So I told them I had to speak with my wife and hung up the phone. I asked my wife, and she told me to call right back and book it as soon as possible. So we enjoyed a beautiful balcony room for the whole cruise, and we're very happy and very lucky.
Celebration family, do not get quiet on me now. This is not a drill. You've got the dance moves, so now it's time to sing as loud as you can. We know that. Here it comes. It's gonna stay above. I think you can go louder. So far, so good. But now, we're going to divide the Lido deck into this side over here. Put your hands in the air, whether side to side. Put your hands in the air, whether side to side. Hey! Oh! Hey! Oh! Now this is a story all about how my life got turned upside down. And I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. Say, in West Philadelphia, born and raised on a break, I was where I spent most of my days. I said, and I'm shooting south. When I come from the guys, you're all to look good. Started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and the wrong got scared. Hip hop hooray! Ho! Hey! Ho! Hey! Ho! Hey! Ho! Hip hop hooray! Ho! Hey! Ho! Hey! Ho! Hey! Ho! I said the hip, the hop, the hippie to the hip hop, and you know.
Okay, this is the first day of our cruise. And I'm going to sit out on the balcony and relax, but it's been like this since last night. We've decided we'll just stay in the room with the door shut and try not to bounce off the walls. Anyway, could be worse, I guess. But then the sun came out, and the seas calmed, and there was food, and miniature golf, and water slides, and food, and food. Adult beverages also.